Well, if you look at the bigger companies, and I was with a captive, we were with a captive for 7 or 8 years. If you look at those companies, it's who your grandfather was with, it's who your parents went with, and then that you got added to your parents' policy as a teenager, and then there's a longevity there. And those companies have been around for a long, long time.
Right.
But the difference is, so you have a captive agent,
Yes.
which is what we were, and then you go to the independent side where you have newer companies, some smaller, some larger. But from a captive or from an independent perspective, it's just more options. The quality of the coverage is still there. The service is still there.
Exceptional.
Yeah, they all have to meet the same guidelines. The difference being different insurance carriers, just like different banks in the mortgage industry, have different appetites. Some want the squeaky clean, so they're going to price for that, where somebody has no claims, no youthful drivers. Other people that are trying to capture their market share, they may be a little more flexible on their underwriting.
Right.
They may say, hey, we'll price good for young drivers so that we can capture a certain population.
Okay.
So from that perspective, it really just depends on the carrier. We only write with A-rated carriers, and that's real important. There's a company, AM Best, that rates insurance companies on the types of things that I talked about, the coverage, service, those types of pricing, all those types of things. And that's real important when you're shopping for an insurance company.
Then you guys also do things with umbrella policies and stuff like that. Let's talk about the umbrella policies and also why carriers want to bundle auto and home. Why won't carriers just write your home without an auto?
So they will.
Okay.
Write your home without an auto, but really writing a home and an auto together, it's really designed for the customer's benefit.
Okay.
And you would be surprised how many clients or prospects, when they call in and you ask them about that other line, if they call in for home insurance and you ask about their auto, they think, oh, you're just being a greedy insurance agent. And it's not that at all. Most companies, if they write your home and auto together, you're going to get up to 30-35% discount.
Okay, that's pretty big.
So that's your best discount. That's why we're asking for both of those lines of business. But umbrellas, you mentioned umbrellas, it is exactly what it sounds like coming over the home and auto. And it is probably, it's underutilized, thankfully, because it is a larger liability policy.
All right.
So you have your home, you have your auto, you have your limits for those, and then you have your umbrella. And umbrellas start at $1 million in protection. So it comes over both so that if you have an accident, you get sued and your underlying limits on your home or your auto, your liability is not enough. And I'm getting into some real jargon here, but that umbrella is designed to protect you in that extreme circumstance. And it's one of the least expensive policies that you can buy.